Right now, new tonight on the 19th, the federal government has canceled the annual report that has collected data and analysis on food insecurity for years. Local Kentuckiana food pantries are worried that this could lead to decreased funding for their services. So important. WHAS 1119's Alex Dederer has the story from New Albany tonight, hearing from a nonprofit bracing for more cuts and even more change.
Glad we're here to help.
Plastic bags filled with canned and fresh vegetables, rice, and beans from the food pantry at Hope Southern Indiana. Executive Director Becky Romans says the nonprofit is serving 22% more families each month since spring, seeing an increase in need but a decrease in stocked shelves.
The increase has been going on since about April. And we've hit a couple of times within the last few months where we got really low on food and had to cry out to the community to help fill our shelves.
We're seeing more and more clients because the price of food has gone up.
This Southern Indiana food pantry is feeling the impact after President Trump signed legislation sharply reducing food aid.
The Trump administration announced this month that they're ending the USDA's annual report on hunger in America, calling it overly politicized and rife with inaccuracies.
So I'm devastated to hear that the USDA is paying less attention to how many families are suffering from food instability. We know that a lot of times grants and funding are dependent on surveys that count the numbers of food insecure families, and if we're not counting, people can pretend that they don't know, and that's concerning.
40% of Hope Southern Indiana's food comes from Dare to Care USDA supplied food. The other 60% comes from churches, people, and businesses.
Everything from potatoes to hamburger helper to mac and cheese, pasta.
Like Duke Energy, who gave Hope Southern Indiana a $10,500 food insecurity grant to supply families on fall break food while they're not at school.
Many of the families that we serve get most of their meals, if not all of their meals, from school.
We don't want families to go hungry. We want them to be able to enjoy their break, enjoy time with their families, and not have to worry about food being on the table.
Trying to keep food on the table for their clients while bracing for more cuts they say could be on the horizon. In New Albany, Alex Dederer, the WHAS 1119 on your side.
The USDA says the last report will be published October 22nd, which will be data collected from 2024.